abstract paper art is unique, and it can be custom to your own aesthetic. This artwork was cut, folded, and shaped on poster board from Dollar Tree, and it was inspired by something I saw on Instagram. So the supplies that you will need include foam board, sheets of poster board, foam dots, reptile adhesive, a ruler, pencil, and scissors. So the first thing, I decided how large I wanted it. So the first paper that I cut was 20.5 by 22 inches, and you can make yours larger or smaller. Next, I cut one 18 by 18, 13 by 12, 10 by 10, 7 by 7, and the last piece 4.5 by 5. You're going to cut it, you're going to fold it, and then you're going to assemble it. It is that easy. You start off with your 20.5 by 22. When you get to the points, you're going to fold those. And in fact, I folded the points first. About 1.5 inches in, you're going to fold all 4 sides. So now once all of that is done, then it is time to assemble all of your pieces together. You will start with the largest piece of poster board, and then you will put your 18 by 18 inside of that, but you're going to put the point, as you see, along the long side. When you do your next one, which will be your 13 by 12, you will turn your poster board and you're going to put that one on all 4 sides. You make sure the points aren't point to side. After that, you do your 10 by 10 on down to your 4.5 by 5. So you can assemble them first before you glue them together. Then what I did is I used some Reptile adhesive because it is the strongest glue that we have out there on the market, and I would make sure that it didn't fall apart when I hung it. After it is all assembled, then you want to cut some foam board to put on the back to give it some support, because you will want to have it nice and strong in order to hang it. So what I did, I just got some jute and I got some little piece of fabric, and I just hot glued the jute on the back in the middle to give it some support, and let it dry, let the hot glue dry, and then I was able to hang on the wall. I hung it up, I liked the way it looked, and now I am enjoying it. If you like what you've seen, please comment, save, like, and subscribe. And have a great day. And we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.